Hey guys, RJ here. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to do my favorite lunge variation, the alternating reverse lunge. Let's get into it. First of all, we want to determine which leg is your dominant leg, because this will be the leg we're going to step back with first. In most cases, if you're right-handed, your right leg is stronger, and if you're left-handed, your left leg is stronger. There are exceptions to this rule though. To make sure, you can do a simple test. Imagine that there is a ball or, I don't know, your boss's ass in front of you. Which leg would you kick it with? That's your dominant leg. Okay, once we have this figured out, let's start the exercise. Grab a pair of dumbbells or kettlebells, push your shoulders back a little, and make sure your abs are tight. Now step back to the lunge position with the leg you just kicked your boss in the ass. I mean, your stronger leg. This will force your weaker leg to work first. And that's exactly what we want. Lean slightly forward, keeping your spine straight from your head all the way down to your butt. Don't bounce your knee off the ground. Stop the movement right before your knee touches the floor. Come right back up, driving through your front leg and squeeze the glutes at the top. Repeat the movement with the other leg. There are two very important things to remember with any lunge or squat. 1. Don't let the knee collapse inward. It should always go in line with your toes. And 2, the heel of your front foot never leaves the ground. When the heel is off the ground, you put too much stress on your knee. Now, as for the myth that your knee should never go over your toes, that's not true. Your knee can come in front of your toes as long as your heel stays on the ground. Okay, but what about breathing? I recommend taking a big breath in while stepping back and exhaling, coming back up to the starting position. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching up to the very end. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below or DM me on Instagram. The link is in the description. See you next time.